Hey guys, I want to make a quick little video about Microsoft Teams and the recordings. So first of all, we have our course here, AP1. This is what I see as a teacher. And so when you come in here, I'm guessing I know we all see the same thing. It's like a long chat, right? It's a big old giant chat. And so I recorded I think it was our 9th period session. And what happens is Microsoft sticks it into the chat somewhere, and the problem is that it can get hidden, right? So it's actually in this box right here, and if I click on this thing, you'll see all this. Hey, and then you see the recording here. So it was recorded. Okay. So how can we see it? Well, you could dig in there and find it, but you don't know which class period we're going to record or what. And so I've been fiddling with this, and there's this associated app called Stream, Microsoft Stream, and it's basically it's a cheap, it looks like a cheap YouTube knockoff. Sorry, Bill. But anyway, so what happens is I'm going to share the link. So in Canvas, here's Canvas. Right? Here's our course. In an announcement, everything's slow because it's the afternoon, right? So I talked about recorded live sessions here. So if we open that, I took a screenshot. There it is, right? But then I included this link here, okay? So if you click on that link, it should take you to Stream, this thing called Stream, where the video should be there, and we shall be able to see it. I have it as like public access.
I'm going to try to record this.
There's the video. Now I know this is working because I have a test student that we've been testing this on, and she could see this all popped up, and she could see the video, and so anyway, it seems to work. I know there's going to be problems, but we're just going to try to go with the flow here and see if we can't get all of this figured out. So that's my little tutorial on how to get the recordings of our live sessions. As I get better, I'm going to know more, and then I'm sure there's probably a way where I can put it on YouTube or something. This is what I know right now. Thanks, guys.